I am making a delicious cake for my family.
It tastes very sweet.
I love it.
Now, put the cake into the microwave.
I need 10 minutes. 1, 0, 0, 0. Start. Next, I need some eggs to make the frosting. Where are the eggs? Are they behind the milk?
Oh no, there are no eggs left. The fridge is empty. The cake is cooking. I must go to the shop now. I am wearing my slippers, but I don't have time. Hurry up, Elena! Run, run, run! Sorry, I am in a big hurry. See you later.
Where is the egg section? Over there.
Great, I found the eggs. 1 dozen eggs, please. Please hurry. My cake is in the microwave at home. I have 5 minutes left. I can do it.
I am back with the eggs. Now I can finish the... Let's go inside. Why is the door not opening? It is locked. No, the door is locked automatically. Where are my keys? I don't have them in my pockets. Look. My keys are on the table. This is terrible. Is that smoke? Yes, the microwave is smoking.
Emma!
Jack!
Jack! Emma! Can you hear me? Open the door!
Jack! Jack! Look at me! You have to open the door. Please hurry!
Yes! I am the winner! This game is so cool.
Look at me! I am outside! Please, open the door now! The back door! Maybe the back door is open. No! No! Not this one, too! It's locked! Everything is locked. The bathroom window. It is open. I have to climb up there. Hurry, Elena! Move it! Quick! This window is too small. I am too big! Wait, I can't move! My apron is stuck! I am hanging on the wall! Look at me! I see smoke! The microwave is burning my cake! This is the best game ever! I am so happy! Jack, Emma, stop the game and look at the window! I am tired.
Why are you climbing the wall, dear?
Mrs. Peterson, help! I am stuck in the window!
Oh, my. You look like a big bird in that apron.
Look inside! There is a fire in my kitchen!
You are right. We must stop the fire now.
I can't get out!
Here, Drink some tea. It helps you think better.
Tea? Now?
My house is smoking, Mrs. Peterson.
Don't worry. I have a very good plan for you. The Wi-Fi box. That is the secret door.
The Wi-Fi box? But I want to open the front door.
Turn off the internet. Then the kids will run out.
That is smart. No
Okay,
Wi-Fi
you are
means
free
no
now.
games for Jack. Thank you. Now, let's stop the internet and the fire. Where is the box? Ah, I see it on the wall. It is a bit high.
Use this small chair. Be careful.
Thank you, Mrs. Peterson. I am opening the box now. Wow, there are so many wires. Which one is for the internet? I don't have time to think. I need a tool.
Take this. It is a very big and sharp wire cutter.
This tool is perfect. Thank you very much. I am very nervous. Is this the blue wire or the red wire?
This song is so beautiful. I wanna dance all day.
Fine. No more games for you. No more internet.
1, 2, 3. Goodbye, Wi-Fi.
I did it. Green light on the box is off.
Good job, Elena. Now wait for the children.
Now they will know the power of a hungry mother. The internet is dead! Come out now, children! What? Lost connection?
No. Why now?
The music stopped. Is the Wi-Fi broken? They are coming. I can hear them moving inside. Why is the house full of smoke? Finally! Open the door and face the disaster. Wi-Fi is gone.
The music stopped.
Now,
Let's
is
wait
the
for the
Wi-Fi
kids.
broken? This is bad. Dad, there is no internet. I am losing my game. Do you smell that? Something is burning in the kitchen. Open the door. We need to go outside now.
Go, go, go! Get some fresh air outside!
You are all out of the house now.
Elena? Why are you holding those big pliers?
stay here. I need to check my kitchen. You ignored me. Now, look at the disaster. Because of the game, we didn't hear Mom. My cake. My beautiful cake is ruined. It is too late. Everything is black and hot.
3, 2, 1.
The cake is ready, but it is charcoal.
I am sorry, Elena.
Netflix?
I was busy with
Games?
Netflix.
Music? Look at this kitchen.
We are very sorry, Mom. We didn't listen.
I shouted for 30 minutes, but you didn't hear me.
Technology is dangerous, Michael. Listen to Elena.
No cake for tonight. Only smoke for dinner.
Is the Wi-Fi still off? I need to send an email.
I have something to tell you. It is a big secret. I didn't unplug it. I cut the wire with this tool. You cut the wire?
So...
No more internet for days? No games, no Netflix, and no music. It is broken. But Mom, I need to talk to my friends. Now, we have a new plan. Put your phones away.
The kitchen is very dirty. There is black ash everywhere.
Jack, take the broom. Emma, take this cloth. Clean now.
I am sorry.
We are cleaning, Mom.
The cake is gone. It is dark outside. We need some candles for light.
Cleaning is hard work. My arms are very tired.
This is a real game. No battery, no Wi-Fi. Ludo? How do we play this game, Mom? It is easy. Roll the dice and move your horse. I remember this game. It was my favorite when I was a boy. Let's start. Jack, you go first.
Look! I got a 6! My horse is moving. Go back home, Jack. My horse is winning.
See?
We don't need the internet to be happy.
You are right, Elena.
We need to spend more time together. Mrs. Peterson was right. This tea is very good. I will never ignore you again, Mom. I promise. Remember, family time is better than screen time. Good night, everyone. See you in the next lesson.